down that way. Just pop the wipers on a little bit, just to the screen for you. Great stuff, and then yeah, just following where the McLaren's going. Okay, what traffic there is out there. Clear actually, yeah, okay, so off we go. Wow. Okay, it's letting you go past, so back to the right there. And then round to the right where the other car in front's going. And then when you exit the corner, if you just stay over to the left for me, just come to the left, just come to the left. Brilliant, okay, so follow behind. Yeah, he's letting you go, so if you get on the throttle now. And to the brakes now. Good stuff, well done.
A lot less aggressive than the...
Sorry?
A lot less aggressive than the...
A lot less aggressive?
Advantage, yeah, it feels...
Oh, yeah. Power delivery, yeah. Well, it depends what mode it's in as well. You can play around with the mode, so it will be more aggressive if you want it to be.
So it's comfort.
But in the well, it's not comfort, but it's what they call Corsa, so it's just it's the standard mode pretty much. But in these conditions, you don't really want it in any of the city modes because it just keeps popping wheels out all over the place. So. Stuff. There's a car as well, like those. Yeah. Cool, so stay with him, stay close. That's it, then we can go past on the right. Brakes now. Just let it run wide on the exit. Perfect, well done.
Car park here.
Sorry?
Car park here.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. M25. Okay, they're going in, so we can go past them. Some people notice and do it, and some don't. It's just a bit of a pain in the neck sometimes.
Yeah.
But there we are. Okay. We stay close to him, then hopefully he'll realise we want to try and get past, and he'll let us go. But getting him back too much, they won't bother. GT40 is right in the way, so okay, let's scupper that one. Okay, we're in this lap unless you want to do any more.
No, it's okay.
Okay. Just stay to the left this lap then and between, yeah. That's it. Brilliant, matey. Nice one. Lovely bit of kit, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
What do you drive?
Polo.
Okay, yeah.
So like, probably 10 to the power.
Yeah, I know. Good fun polos though.
Oh yeah.
I've got a Golf, but
those
are pretty nippy, aren't
not
they?
too different, yeah.
No. Right, so just stay spaced somewhere just between the Aston and the Aston.
Right.
That's it, keep it fully rotated. That's it. Just stop it there, that's brilliant. Lovely job. And just flick the lid up and turn it off.